everything that you are right now, everything. I don't care if you are high level or mid level, low level. I don't care if you are a millionaire, billionaire. I don't give a fuck. Everything that you are right now, listen to me carefully. Everything that you are right now, at this very moment, you picked up from the outside. If you were born in a different country, would you be the same? Would you have the same things that you have right now? Would you have the same friends? Would you have this? Would you speak the same way, in the same way? We know that you wouldn't speak the same language, would you? But would you be in the same way? Now that is just like a little hint, tapping into something greater on who you truly are. Everything that you are right now, you picked up from the outside. The moment you are born, you are giving a name, you are giving a religion, you are giving a nationality. And with that nationality, you can even dig in deeper and understand that, pardon the noise, you can understand that there are even certain values that were given to you just because you were born in that specific place, right? Because you were born in America, that means that you hold certain values, certain beliefs, certain things, certain aspects, blah, blah, blah. Even languages, you share them. And then, if you were born within a specific family, they believe in this, not only with their religion or not only with their nationality, but your parents, they lived in a certain way, and they pass it on to you. Then if you go further, then you start talking about education, start talking about schools and your teachers and all of that. Man, the end result of this is a mixture of different things and thoughts and ideas and manifestations of those ideas. And even with your fashion, what they thought that it was cool and this and that, based on your friends and based on... So you are just a fucking recipe of disaster, and then no wonder why we see people crashing down. If you're trying to make a cake, you need to follow the recipe and you need to add up certain ingredients. You don't add up everything. You don't put up fucking tuna into a fucking banana cake, right? You don't put apple, you don't put goddamn, I don't know, man. You don't put everything else that you're putting into yourself. You get the point, what I'm saying. So everything that you are right now, up to this point, even your mind, your thoughts right now, how you process everything that I'm saying, you picked up from the outside. So you must drop everything. That's why I suggest that you get into meditation, because this is where you imagine if you are death. You are not the body, you are not the mind, you're just there sitting, not thinking about this, not thinking about that, not blah 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 blah, and you drop absolutely everything that you are right now. Everything. Every limitation, everything that empowers you, everything that makes you weak, everything that makes you strong, everything, you just drop it. And you start off with a blank canvas. This is what a lot of people don't understand that you can do. And it is actually our responsibility to make it. It is our responsibility to, from time to time, okay, I painted this fucking picture. Now I will throw it away, I will sell it, I will do whatever the fuck I want to do, I will frame it, I will put it on my wall. But then I have a fresh start. I have a new canvas, blank, it's down there. I can do whatever the fuck I want to do. Now that you have all of this information, you can just drop everything that you thought you were, and then start reinventing yourself. There's an art form. Reinventing yourself is not just changing your clothes. It's changing, and not even changing, let's call it transmuting, like an alchemist, transmuting yourself. This is what you should be doing right now, because you are evolving each and every day. Every day there's something new, every day there's something different. You should be growing. And the moment you're growing, you should be interacting in a different way with yourself, with your outer self, with your inner self, with the people around you. Shit, man, it's just logical. How come that we've heard, because of Reiki and all this bullshit, that you should change the spaces, because it allows to flow things better, because if you get rid of the old, new will come. All this is just spirituality for dummies, literally, you know, like the books. So you must drop yourself, what you think you are right now, and reinvent yourself. Take control to create yourself in the way that you want to be. Not in the way that others expect you to be. Not in the way that I or anyone else. And you, whoever you think you are, get in touch with that. Now it's easier said than done, and this is a whole goddamn practice that you should start doing it. Getting to know yourself on a higher dimension, not only with your body, not only with your mind, but also beyond that. That is when you can start reinventing yourself. We must do that, and it's okay. No one will judge you, because surprise, no one even cares about you. Okay, they're so busy doing their own shit. I mean, just look at it right now. I'm pouring my soul into my videos, into everything that I do for you guys, and I know that you don't give a fuck. You give a fuck to the degree that you need it, and that's it. And I'm okay with that. You should be okay with these things as well. So if you want to start a new business, instead of being afraid like, oh, or if you want to change your fashion, no man, just fucking do it, because nobody gives a fuck about you and what you do. They're so busy doing their own goddamn thing, trying to save themselves, trying to hustle, trying to make more money, trying to blah 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 blah, okay, trying to get to know themselves, that the moment they see you, they're like, yeah, whatever. So that's why you are your own savior. You are living your life in the way that you want to live it. Okay, guys? So reinvent yourselves. If there's something that you can do greater and better, if you can transmute yourself, if you can transform yourself into a better version, then fucking absolutely do it. Okay, guys? Don't be afraid of starting new, of starting fresh. Sometimes you hold on what you had because you are operating on a scarcity mentality. You're like, oh man, I gotta save what I had, because you know there's only few of it. There's not enough of this new thing, so I cannot let go. No, you must be good at just letting go. New things will come, maybe. New things will come, maybe not, maybe yes. I don't give a fuck. I'm just here, and I know that I alone have the ultimate responsibility to live life how I want to live it, to control or to manipulate, to work upon yourself, to create and reinvent yourself. If you were given this name, you can change it. If you were given this nationality, you can change it. If you were born short and ugly and fucking black, yellow, rainbow, I don't give a fuck, you can change the meaning of it. Because all of these things you picked up from the outside. The meaning of being black, that meaning you picked up from society, from history. You can give it your own goddamn meaning. The meaning of being a Latin American, you know, being a Mexican, this has certain connotations because society, because of history, because of certain people have given these connotations, but you can create your own. You must really find yourself. You really find your goddamn what's important, who you are, and everything else, man. You can do it. You must do the work, though. It's not easy. And this is why not everyone else is willing to do it, and not everyone is doing it, because it's not easy. It requires a lot of work, and it requires a lot of patience, and you know the rest of it. Okay, guys? So remember to become the best version of yourself. Keep sending me your questions, and I will see you on the next one.